Hello and welcome to today's video, where I'm going to show you how to adjust the wash temperature on your Beko washing machine. So, let's get started. First, turn on your washing machine. Then, select the washing program you want to use. Each program comes with a default temperature, but most of them allow you to change it manually. Now, look for the temperature button on the control panel. It might have a thermometer icon, a degree C symbol, or be labeled temp or temperature. Press the button, and the display will show the available temperature options, for example, 90 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius, or cold. Keep tapping until you find the setting you want. Once you've selected the temperature, check your other settings like spin speed or any extras, and then press start. And that's it! You've now adjusted the wash temperature on your Beko washing machine. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tips.